is part of our wastewater recycling and filtration system. You can see everything flowing through. We're cleaning this extremely filthy, thousands of trash bins. Right now they're just doing a couple hundred, but you can see where the wastewater goes from the trash bin hopper into our vacuum recovery system, into a 50 micron, 20 micron, 5 micron filter, back to its own wastewater holding tank that is a sealed wastewater holding tank. And from there, right now, we are recycling and reusing the water, so it's going to another 5 micron oil absorber and phosphate filter, an organic chemical filter, and then another 5 micron carbon filter. So this whole system, plus his filters in the hopper, to break it down to 1,000 microns, hydrocarbon absorber, and we use that hopper as a solid separation tank. This is what we achieved. I have been manufacturing and producing pressure cleaning systems and wastewater recycling and filtration units for 35 years now. Wow, yep, 35 years. So this technology can take the filthiest of trash cans, debris, filter the heavy solids and solid waste out, filter out oil and grease, what you call hydrocarbon, chemical-free cleaning. All these are being cleaned chemical-free. So you'll see other systems that need a lot of degreaser cleaner. That contaminates the wastewater immediately. That's the number one thing a wastewater treatment facility will ask you is, are you using any chemicals? And biodegradable, I mean, all these garbage trucks are biodegradable. This truck is biodegradable. Maybe not the rubber, but the truck is. So, you know, biodegradable means very little environmentally, other than it'll eventually break down, but so will mostly anything out there. So what you want to do is, if you could do chemical-free hot water, steam, and then run high volume hot water. We run 3,000 psi stainless steel hot water head. We don't make it an option. These are industrial grade heads. We've never offered the lower pressure rated ones, only the 2,800 psi that we use for 10 years, and never worn out a single cleaning head yet. And now the new stainless steel 3,000 psi max pressure rated head are all what we produce here. So if you're looking for the high side and don't want to pay an upcharge to get an industrial machine, give us a call at 877-699-0755. This is the first franchise being launched here by GI Bins, a local company in Grand Rapids that we work together with in order to help them grow and build a business and have equipment that can handle 2-3 shifts, sometimes a day. Some of these units can run 20 hours in a given day. So if you look, like I said, with an industrial application, and our requirements were right here for you. Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Go to trashbincleanerdirect.com. You can email us at info@trashbincleanerdirect.com or call us 877-699-0755. Also, if you're looking to go into it with a franchise, can't get any better than GI Bins. They use our equipment exclusively and are now branching off around the country. So give us a call. Be happy to help you start your new trash bin cleaning business. You can see the amount of steam and heat coming off the units over there. Just amazing day. Make a couple $1,000 in just a couple hours here.